On this quick take, I think I have something that will improve the already excellent OM3. The new OM3 from OM System harkens back to the good old days of film photography with its unique body style resembling the classic Olympus OM1 film camera. There isn't much to complain about this camera. It's got the guts of the OM1 Mark II and the creative dial from the Pen F. But there are those that gripe about the price and the lack of a grip. Now, I can't do anything about the price, and I think it'll go down soon. But this new grip from Leofoto can fix what some complain about while maintaining the charm and fun of using this beautiful camera.
It's beautiful, man!
I too found this a bit daunting when using the bigger lenses like this 40 to 150 f2.8 Pro or the 100 to 400 lenses. And initially there were only a couple of options for a third-party grip. Both featured a metal Arca-Swiss compatible plate and wooden handle, but we're finally seeing some more players in this space. One of these is Leofoto, a Chinese company known for quality, affordable photo gear. I have one of their excellent carbon fiber tripods and a monopod, and was happy to see they've released an aluminum grip for the OM3. The unfortunate thing is it doesn't seem to be available yet in the US. Thankfully, the interwebs go around the world, and I'll cover where I got it in a bit. But let's see this bad boy.
Show me.
The Leofoto LPO-OM3 is machined from a solid block of aluminum and not only supports Arca-Swiss quick release plates on the bottom of the camera, but it also includes a small L-bracket on the side for quick changes between landscape and portrait. This is the only OM3 grip that currently has an L-bracket feature at the time of this recording. The black rubberized grip provides comfort and matches well with the camera body, seen here with the OM12 to 100 f4 IS Pro lens. This accessory gives you a bunch of options. The grip and the side bracket can actually be removed, so this thing is very customizable while still providing access to the creative dial on the front, the battery compartment, and all of the side connections. The body plate includes 5 1/4-inch threaded holes, a slot for a strap, a cold shoe adapter, and a magnetic slot key. This is without a doubt the most versatile grip for the OM3 available at the time of this recording. It adds only 80 grams to the weight of the camera, so I may leave this thing on all of the time. I picked this up on AliExpress and it was shipped out of Australia. I actually received it within about 10 days here in Arizona. Obviously, delivery times are going to vary, but at a price currently around $70, it's a good option. I've purchased a few things using AliExpress and have been very pleased with the prices and how fast I get the item. But as with any e-commerce site, buyer beware, read the fine print, do your research, and be a smart, informed buyer. The grip seems to be available from a few different sellers, so prices and delivery times may vary. This video is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Leofoto or AliExpress. I'm just a satisfied customer passing along my experiences to you. I've tried 2 of the available grip options for the OM3 and investigated others, and at this time, I think the one from Leofoto is the best on the market. The build quality, the feel, the look, the versatility, it checks all my boxes. Have you used a grip for the OM3 yet? If you have, do you like it? Leave a post in the comments about your experience with any of these grips, or if you're interested in getting one. Or why you don't need one. Think the OM3 is just perfect the way it is. Regardless of whether you use a grip or not, if you have or want the OM3, it's quite a capable and fun camera to use. I hope your experience with it is as good as mine has been, and regardless of the gear, just get out and create. Earth is art, be the artist. Take care.